Today we're going to be looking at this absolutely beautiful farmhouse entertainment center from Garvee. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. This was packaged really nicely to protect it during shipping. This is definitely going to require a fair bit of assembly, but it doesn't look too bad. So I'll let you know how long it takes as soon as we get it put together. Surprisingly, it only took us about an hour to put this together, and it is absolutely beautiful. It went together so quick and so easy, we were shocked. I love the fact that it has pre-drilled holes for cords in the back of both the middle shelves. I love the fact that it has farmhouse-style doors that slide left and right. The color of the wood on the top matches everything in the house absolutely perfectly. And there's more storage behind these doors where you can put blankets or books or anything else like movies, DVDs, games. This really is a fantastic option if you love farmhouse style decor and you're looking for a new entertainment center. Overall, this was incredibly easy to assemble. Like, kudos to Garvee, because my husband and I were really impressed with how quickly and easily this went together. And it looks fantastic. If you're in the market for a new entertainment stand or TV stand, this one from Garvee is absolutely beautiful.